Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best resin 3D printer. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Longer. Model number, Orange 30. The Longer Orange 30 is an SL, a 3D printer that is perfect for producing models with high details. The Orange 3D printer is made of sturdy metal, while the chamber's protective housing is made of orange acrylic glass. The printer's controls can be accessed through a 2.8 inches touch display screen on the front. Integrated with matrix UV LED arrays, Orange 30 provides better printing performance since the matrix illumination provides better uniformity, higher intensity and shorter time of curing. Full color touch screen. Real-time printing status preview. Upgraded trough with scale, more convenient. Longer self-developed slicing software, output 100 slicing file in 1 minute, 3 times faster. Smart support generation in 1 click. Also supported by Chitubox. Temperature detection system included. The system will stop printing when temperature is too high. Equipped with high-efficiency cooling system to improve lifespan of this 3D printer. Specially designed optical paths to achieve uniform light intensity distribution, improve print quality, and it is not easy to generate debris during printing. High temperature warning function. The printing process pauses automatically at high LED temperatures and will resume printing automatically upon sufficient cooling. Easy to use the full color touch screen. Easy to select file printing and preview the printing status real-time. Fast cooling system and temperature detection to prolong the lifespan of 3D printer. Automatically identify the print file in the TF card for offline printing. Easy leveling, easy to level the platform by 4 screws. Number 4, brand name, Nova 3D. Model number, Whale 24K Mono. The Whale 3D printer has 8.9-inch monochrome screen, which reduces layer printing speed to 2 to 2.5 seconds. Get your prints 170 mm high in 3 hours with 4K HD resolution 3840 into 2400 pixels. Greatly improve the model surface result. 40 LEDs provide uniform light for the full format of the 8.9-inch screen. Pre-leveling design saves you from leveling troubles. Anti-noise design. 35 decibels of printing noise over a distance of 1 meter. You can hardly hear any sound. Purification system. An exhaust fan can be purchased to exhaust the turbid gas in the printer directly to the outdoors. Number 3, brand name, Nova 3D. Model number, Benny 5. Benny 5 is equipped with a ultra-silent motor driver IC designed by Nova 3D, 35 dB silent motor driver. It is hardly to hear the sound after close the UV cover. Nova 3D Benny 5 is still equipped with a powerful self-developed crystal light source optical engine to provide uniform purple light for the full frame 6.08-inch. 2K screen and provide a screen resolution of 0.05 mm and the details of the model can be clearly displayed. The integrated FEP film can be replaced by tightening 12 screws, convenient and greatly saved your time and trouble. Nova 3D cooperate with Lychee slices to help you slicing your models more professionally. Number 2. Brand name, Creality. Model number, LD-002H. LD-002H DLP 3D printer adopts user-friendly 3.5-inch full-color touch-screen UI design interface. Can monitor real-time printing information, easy to operate. Lower the print platform and keeping only a distance of a piece of paper, then lock the leveling nut to finish the leveling. saving much time than before. The machine can print dimensionally accurate and well-detailed models with outstanding surface finish. It is equipped with a smart resin vat that features resin level indicators for optimal performance. The Creality LD-002H utilizes an 1620 x 2560 monochrome LCD for layer exposure. Not only does it increases print speed up to 200% or more, but the life of the screen is increased by up to 400%. Operating with a responsive and sensitive touch screen, all the modes are clear and easy to use. Simple and delicate design with explosion-proof translucent cover gives you a premium experience. Number 1. Brand name, Anycubic. Model number, Photon Mono 4K. Anycubic Mono 4K uses a monochrome grid with a contrast of more than 350. The high contrast makes the image in the exposure area more accurate, and the print margins more sensitive, which improves the print quality and success rate, and significantly reduces the residue in the resin container. Anycubic Photon Mono 4K provides your 3D models with extremely sharp and clear edges and corners. Compared to all other Mono series LCD printers in the market, for many LCD screen problems, our Mono 4K screen printer has added a replaceable anti-scratch film between the protective film and the screen itself to improve the protection for screen, and comes with one piece extra protective film for replacement. The Photon Mono 4K has both high power for fast printing and low power for longer printer life. The resin printer supports 30 to 100% UV power settings, and can be adapted to resin printing with different UV energy requirements to meet your personalized printing needs.